వారసులం గణిత శాస్త్ర సాధకులం పరిశోధకులం గణితానికి ప్రేమికులం వారసులం గణిత శాస్త్ర సాధకులం పరిశోధకులం గణితానికి ప్రేమికులం వారసులం గణిత శాస్త్ర సాధకులం పరిశోధకులం గణితానికి ప్రేమికులం స్తంభ ఆలోచన బోధాయన వివేచన ఆపస్తంభ ఆలోచన కలిగించే మాలో ఆప్తి బోధాయన వివేచనకు పులకించిన రాత్రి ఆలోచన వివేచన కొనసాగించే వారసులం గణిత శాస్త్ర సాధకులం పరిశోధకులం గణితానికి ప్రేమికులం ఆర్యభట్ట గణనలో భాస్కరుని బోధనలు ఆర్యభట్ట గణనలు చూపెను ఆదర్శం భాస్కరుని బోధనలు చేసెను ఆదేశం ఆదేశం ఆదర్శం కొనసాగించి వారసులం గణిత శాస్త్ర సాధకులం పరిశోధకులం గణితానికి ప్రేమికులం మహావీర మధురత్వం బ్రహ్మగుప్త భావార్థం మహావీర మధురత్వం గణిత సార సంగ్రహం బ్రహ్మగుప్త భావార్థం బ్రహ్మస్ఫోట సిద్ధాంత మధురత్వం భావార్థం కొనసాగించి వారసులం గణిత శాస్త్ర సాధకులం పరిశోధకులం గణితానికి ప్రేమికులం శ్రీధరుని సోదరా శ్రీనివాస
वसुंधरणं मंजीरावरणं मंजीरावरणं महाकविमनः पङ्केतुः प्रेरवम् अंहायास्य शरणं व्रजामि शरणं వాగ్వైదుషీకారణం. సమస్త వాక్కులకు నిలయమైనటువంటి ఆ మహాసరస్వదేవి చరణాల విందులో సమర్పితం. రెస్పెక్టెడ్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ మేడం, మై డియర్ కొలీగ్స్, మై డియర్ చిల్డ్రన్, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ టు అనంద. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. So on the Srinivas Ramanujan's birthday, we celebrate their year. On this occasion, I read a sloka. Yadha sikha mayuranam naganam anayo yadha tatvatva vedanga shastranam ganitam murtanistitam. Mathematics is greatest science, like feathers on head of a peacock, brightest diamonds on snake skins. Thank you. Wish you a happy mathematics.
Everyone will feel that we have to learn mathematics. Already you have started to learn mathematics. You have started in your day-to-day life. 90% mathematics you are using.
My dear students, 9th class are going. Mathematics today to everyone. So we have only less time. Already, what is the importance of today? Why we are celebrating today? Tomorrow as National Mathematics Day. That our students will explain. Before that, just I will tell one small story, children. Listen. Once upon a time, there was a village. In that village, there is a school. Please don't ask me class questions. Another schools also there, but comparison. Take one school. In that school, one day, in first class, all the students are playing and running, skating like you. Suppose teacher came 5 minutes late, you are all skating in your classrooms, how you are playing, like that they are also playing. Now, after some time, the teacher entered into the class. So to control the class, the teacher gave one sum. Listen children, to control the class, the teacher gave one sum. What is that sum? Children, write 1 to 100 numbers and find its total. What is the sum of 1 to 100 numbers? So all the children, first class children, remember. So all the children are taking the slates, slate pencils, writing the numbers, counting, rubbing, and again writing. Like that all are doing. But one boy not doing anything. Then teacher observed. She asked, why you are not doing the sum? Then he replied, no madam, I know the answer. What is the answer? Then he replied, 5,050. Then teacher wondered, how you explain, how once you come and explain, how you got the answer? Then he explained, listen children, this is important, listen. In first class only, that boy explained. See, take 1 to 100 numbers. 1 to 100 numbers. So in 1 to 100 numbers, first keep 100 aside, sometime. Take 100 and keep aside. Now the numbers are 1 to 99 only. 1 to 99. Now add 1 into 99. 1 into 99 how much? 100. Next 2 into 98, 100. 3 into 97, 100. 4 into 96, 100. Like that if you add, at last we get 49 plus 51. Is it correct children? Yes. Total how many hundreds? How many hundreds? No. No, how many hundreds? At last we get 49 plus 51, 100. So how many hundreds? Good, 49 hundreds. Already we kept 100 aside, again take back. Now 49 hundreds plus 100. Total 50 hundreds. 50 hundreds how much children? Huh? Thank God, 5,000. Okay, in between 49 and 51, one more number is there. What is that number? 50. So here 5,000 plus 50. Total how much? 5,050. So, who is that boy? Are you know? So he is Srinivasa Raman, great Indian mathematics, Srinivasa Ramanujan. At the age of 6 only, he created wonders. And he is a great mathematician. Okay, he invented and he contributed a lot in the field of mathematics. Okay, children? Right, once again, happy National Mathematics today. Thank you, everyone.
Hello, my name. Today I am going to tell about a great Indian mathematician, Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan was born at Erode, a town in Tamil Nadu state of South India, on 22nd December of 1887 year. His father was Srinivasa Iyengar. His mother was Srimati Komala Tammal. His nickname was Chinnaswamy. His schooling started in Kumbakonam at the age of 5 years. He showed early signs of his genius at the school. Once, when his teacher said that when a number is divided by itself, the result is 1. Then Ramanujan immediately asked his whether 0 is divided by 0 also gives 1. The school timetable of 1500 students and for 30 teachers was successfully prepared by Ramanujan in a short period. In 1909, at the age of 22, he married Srimati Janaki Amma. Once, Professor Hardy came to see him in hospital. During their conversation, Professor Hardy just mentioned that he had come by a car of number 1729. In a short time, Ramanujan said that it was a very interesting number and it is the smallest number which can be expressed as the sum of 2 cubes in 2 different ways. 1729 is equals to 12 cube plus 1 cube or 10 cube plus 19. He died on April 20, 1920 at the age of 32 years. India lost a brilliant, extraordinary genius, Sir Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan is the greatest mathematical wizard that the world ever knew. The 125th birthday of Srinivasa Ramanujan, 22nd December 2012. The India declared as National Mathematics Day every year.
I'm studying in 4th class session. Today I'm going to tell you about oval. An oval is a closed figure. It has no sides and no corners. Thank you. I am from Purkari. Today I am going to tell about a circle. A circle has no sides and no corners. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Akaranji. I am from Portuguese. I am going to tell about triangle. Triangle has 3 sides, 3 vertices and 3 angles. Its sizes may or may not be equal. Thank you. Good morning to everybody. My name is P. Sathi Krishna. I am studying 4th class section. I am going to tell about square. Square is a two-dimensional closed figure. Square has 4 sides. Square has 4 corners. All the sides of square equal in size. Thank you. My name is Renu Natsa. I am studying 4th class section. Today I am going to about has 4 sides. Opposite sides are equal.
Lisa from 8th class section, Mathematical Wedding Invitation. Srimati and Sri, Maxima and Minima, we cordially invite you on the occasion of marriage of our eldest son, Chiranjeevi Integrals, lecturer in Vector College with Chiranjeevi Lakshmi Saubhagyavati Circles, daughter of late trigonometry, on date X-Y-2Z at Parabola Kalyana Mandapam, 3rd Ellis Street, Group 3. We also request the pleasure of your company with plain areas, matrices, probability and random variable for the reception at Hotel Polar Coordinates on date L-P-R. Yours sincerely, Simpson and Reddy Zion. Best wishes from Quadratic Expressions and Summation of Series. Thank you.
My name is Disha. We are from 5th class section. Today we are going to tell about DMAS rule. In order to solve a numerical expression, we follow simplification rule. D means division. First, M means multiplication. Second, A means addition. Third, S means subtraction. Last, time from 8C.
Mass abbreviations. M stands for mentally prepared. A stands for accuracy. T tactful. H honesty. E enthusiasm. M morality. A ability. T truth. I interest. C creativity. S self-confidence.
I am from Daisy. Today I am going to tell why do we study mathematics. To add noble qualities, to subtract evil thoughts, to multiply love and affection, to divide the happiness, to root our caste and creed, to eliminate untouchability, to differentiate, learn from ignorant, to maximize our knowledge, to integrate people of our country, to minimize our ignorance, to expand our global unity, to solve all sorts of problems. Thank you.
Today I am going to ask you some riddles. All the numbers in a telephone, what is the answer? If you multiply all the numbers in a telephone, what is the answer? Yes, 0. Because when you multiply any number with 0, the answer is 0. I add 5 to 9 and get 2. The answer is correct. But how? I add 5 to 9 and get 2. The answer is correct. But how? When it is 9 a.m., add 5 hours to it and it became 2 p.m. How many times can we subtract 5 from 55? How many times can we subtract 5 from 55? Yes, 1 lakh. Because 55 minus 5 is equals to 50. Next time we will subtract it from 50. Thank you.
Happy National Mathematics Day to all present here. Today, on this occasion, I am going to tell a story on zero. Once there was a great mathematician. He called all the numbers for a meeting. All the numbers came except 0. Then the mathematician asked, where is number 0? No one knew where 0 was. Then he ordered all the numbers go and find 0. All the numbers started searching for number 0. After searching for a while, they find 0 hiding behind a tree. Then the mathematician asked number 0, why are you hiding behind a tree? Then the number 0 started crying and answered, I have no value. No one respects me. No one loves to play with me. It hurts me a lot. Then the mathematician told to number 0, don't worry. He called number 1 to stand beside 0. Then the value increased to 10. Then he asked all the numbers, what is the value now? They shouted that the value
the floor. Later, in English, it was called as zero. Thank you.